Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we'll learn how to restart Google Chrome browser extension without restarting your browser. So for this guys, just you need to open the Chrome browser on your PC. After opening, in the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just click on it. From here go to more tools, and here you can get the option extensions. Just click and open it, and here you can get the all installed extensions on your web browser. As you can see, if you want to restart any of the extension, just you need to disable this option like this. So the extension was not disabled on your browser. If you want to enable it, if you want to restart it, just you need to enable that option. That's it. From here you can easily restart your extension on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.